A lupin couscous almost ready. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, ex-scientist in area of the nutrition and bone for 20 years, and the last 7 years of working in pharma industry. Today I want to just again show you another recipe which is very high in antioxidants, protein and fiber, and relatively low in carbohydrate. Basically it's couscous and chicken thigh. In the way I prepare the couscous, I learned it from one of my close friend, which he prepare his couscous using lupin flake instead of couscous, which is increase the protein and also the fiber, and still very palatable. Of course, the nutrition is one of the most element of the maintaining our healthy lifestyle and longevity. Therefore, if you are interested to find out how I'm going to prepare this recipe, please keep watching. First of all, we want to marinate our chicken thigh. There's 1.5 kilo of chicken thigh, which is more than enough for adult person. We have salt, garlic powder, sweet paprika, oregano leaf, turmeric, coriander, cumin, a bit of cinnamon, and chili flake is optional, and a lot some black pepper grinded, tomato paste, and parsley, 1 onion, some white vinegar, and vegetable oil. I chopped the onion and I'm gonna transfer it to the bowl and add a bit of salt to it. And then with the hand, just try to squeeze them, mix them with the salt. To a bit of juice of the onion just come up. And when I put our chicken thigh, they're gonna just taste quite good. Alright, just we add 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of the sweet paprika, then we add 2 teaspoons of the oregano, 1 spoon of the turmeric, 2 spoons of grinded coriander seed, 2 spoons of cumin, grinded cumin, 1 spoon of the cinnamon, 1 spoon of the grinded black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of the chili flake. That's optional. Then put around 3 tablespoons of the vegetable oil, and half a cup of the white vinegar, put tablespoon of the tomato paste. And just mix those one a bit before adding our chopped parsley. I'm going to chop the parsley here and add it to the mix. A bit too much, I'll use the half of it. That's enough. Possibly you need half a bunch. And now then we're gonna add our chicken to the marinade and just mix them as we go. Alright, all of the chicken now is marinated. We put them in fridge and now we're going to prepare our couscous. To prepare our couscous, as I mentioned, we're using lupin instead of couscous, and I'm going to use around 1 cup and a bit more. I had some chopped parsley from our chicken and I'm going to use that one. I have a couple of tomato, red onion, garlic, black pepper, salt, a spring onion, red capsicum, serrata sauce, as well as olive oil. The first things, we have to cook some of our lupin. It takes about 5-6 minutes. Therefore, I'm going to add some water and I'll just boil them for 5-6 minutes and then drain it and then add it to this bowl. And meanwhile, I'm going to start to chopping other vegetables. I'll put some water, it's start to boiling down. I'm going to add the lupin, as I said, around 1 cup and a bit more. I think 1 cup will do actually for 4. I just add it in. And just quick mix it. And put a timer for reduced about 5 minutes and then drain it and should be ready. Now we're gonna start to chopping vegetable. The first thing we're gonna do is basically chopping our capsicum. I made it small little cubes. That's done. Then I'm going to start chopping our tomato. The same thing, just make it a small. Little cubes if you can. Our tomato is ready. I don't put all of the juices in. This is too much juice. I just try to put some of those flesh. And meanwhile, our lupin is ready. I'm going to put it in the colander and let it cool. Lupin has been cooked and drained. I'll let it a bit cool down. And as they cool down, I chop other ingredient, which I'm gonna start with onion. Add it to this. Then 2 spring onion. Again, chop them. Beautiful. Add it to mix. I'm gonna add the garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic. Done. Again, mix them together. Now add our parsley, which I already chopped before. All right. Now we're gonna add a bit of our black pepper, and this is again optional, but I'm gonna add some jalapeno for a bit of a spice, and serrata sauce. Teaspoon of the black pepper, sorry, half a tablespoon. After around 1 tablespoon of jalapeno, I'm gonna chop them again finely. Just add it to the mix. And I add some of our olive oil. I put 3 tablespoons. And I add some serrata, just 2 tablespoons. This is the lime juice, which is around 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add to here. And finally, we're going to add our lupin, which we cooked. And we mix things together. Our lupin couscous almost ready. Then I add a bit of salt. Obviously you taste how much salt you're gonna want to add. It's gonna taste a bit. Maybe a tad more. It's really yummy. Okay, let's try again. Beautiful. Okay, we prepare our couscous. Now we're going to cook our chicken. Basically, I add some olive oil and we start to cooking. So just about 10 minutes, I'm gonna turn those chicken around. All right, this is more than 5 minutes. At this point, I'm gonna just leave the lid to just become chicken outside crispy and evaporate some of the water from the sauce. Just another 10 minutes done. It's to me it looks good. Basically, it's time to just serve the food. I'm looking forward to eat my couscous and chicken. It looks quite nice, and already taste the couscous is really nice. You should try it if you are vegan or vegetarian. It's good source of the protein. I added of course with extra protein chicken. I had big workout this morning, which is going to be helping me to maintain my muscle mass. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with your family and friends. And until next video, I want to just thank you all, and be active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.